In comparison to the majority of digital currencies, XRP is quite unusual. It operates on RippleNet, a decentralized network of financial institutions that clears and settles exchanges using Ripple's blockchain and programming interface technology. The local currency of RippleNet is called XRP, and it also supports payments on Ripple's XRP Record decentralized public blockchain. A unified agreement convention is used by the concentrated cryptographic currency XRP to authorize transactions. As a result, RippleNet and XRP record process exchanges more quickly than proof-of-work blockchains like Bitcoin. In 2004, the Ripple Installment Organization launched, with Ryan Fugger as the coordinator. The XRP Edge was developed by Jed McCaleb and Chris Larson, who ruled in 2012. McCaleb held the title of Chief Innovation Officer from 2010 until 2013. Before we move any further, welcome back to Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comments section. XRP Price Today. According to CoinMarketCap, the price of XRP as of October 27 is $0.469, despite a bear market for the S&P 500. Since the beginning of the year, it has followed the downward trajectory of other digital forms of currency. XRP is down 88% from its record-breaking high of $3.84 and has lost nearly 44% of its value over the past year. It's getting closer to the $0.10 it costs to send anything off. Coinbase records show that XRP started to rise around the middle of 2021 and eventually reached a price of $1.59. It had declined to about $0.38 in May 2022 and had continued to decline all spring long alongside Bitcoin and Ethereum during what some analysts are describing as a crypto winter. Anyhow, if the SEC's argument is successful, it might have an effect on XRP and benefit other digital currencies by considering them as non-protections and shielding them from the SEC's rigorous restrictions. Can XRP get to $10? A tiny group of experts predicts that XRP might hit $10 as soon as possible, if not at all. If the bear market inverts, XRP may start to climb again in the same manner as Bitcoin. According to exchanging instruction, experts agree that Ripple may be purchased for $10 or perhaps $25. PrimeXBT goes considerably further, speculating that Ripple may reach a high of $50 in the ensuing 2 years. As a result, XRP's market valuation would surpass Meta's. What will the price of XRP be in 2030? It is difficult to project the value of XPR in 2030. The cost is based on a number of unpredictable factors, whether they are monetary, administrative, or mechanical. However, XRP has a lot going for it, particularly if Ripple wins the SEC battle and the IPO goes through as scheduled. Swell currently provides a variety of cutting-edge financial services that permit cross-platform and cross-blockchain transactions. According to Cryptonewsy, the Payity feature, for instance, lets users transfer money between platforms using a user-friendly yet secure ID that works with any specialized co-op. Is XRP worth purchasing? The cryptocurrency market is comparable to a regular financial exchange in that the opinions of financial backers may change. Because financial backers have less to lose, dollars can go further in any Bitcoin effort than they did when the market was at its pinnacle. There is still a chance of losing money if the selected venture does not increase in value, but it is safer for them to spend $200 or $300 on a coin they like or a firm they believe in. XRP may be a more dependable and stable investment than some other altcoins since it has gained the trust of both financial institutions and financial backers. In contrast to certain other cryptographic types of currency, where tokens are continuously created and mined, XRP has a fixed quantity of coins. Swell transfers all XRP tokens according to a prearranged planned schedule. All things considered, the cap is a staggering 100 billion, of which only half are now usable. Financial supporters looking to shop the bear market bargains, in a sort of speaking, may find XRP to be alluring due to its development potential, capabilities as a cross-stage installment approach, and inexpensive entry price. When comparing XRP and Bitcoin, Fool.ca concluded that Ripple would be a little superior investment. The locator board is divided on whether it makes sense to buy. 38% recommend keeping, 27% advise buying XRP, and 36% advise selling. What do you think of today's video? Comment down below if you have any opinions on the topic. Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.